Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to discuss our chapter number 11 mensuration. In this video we are going to discuss area of trapezium. Based on area of trapezium we are going to solve few exercise questions. A trapezium is a quadrilateral that two of its sides parallel to each other. You can see here this AB and DC are the parallel sides. AB and DC are the parallel side, and one of the parallel sides may be taken as the base of the trapezium. The distance between AB and DC, the parallel sides, is the height or altitude. We can see here this AE is the height of this trapezium. A trapezium is said to be isosceles trapezium if its non-parallel sides are equal. If this side and this sides are equal, then this is called as isosceles trapezium. Now to find the area of trapezium, formula is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height, or we can write 1 by 2 into AB plus DC into AE. So this is the formula to find the area of this trapezium. 11.2 question number 2. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and height of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter. Its height is 4 centimeter. Find the other parallel side. Now here in this question, the area of this parallelogram is 34 centimeter square. One of its parallel side is 10 centimeter and the height of this trapezium is 4 centimeter. So we have to find other parallel side. So this side we have to find, so we don't know. So let this required side be x centimeter. So we can write, let the required side be x centimeter. So we are now going to use the formula of area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is equals to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. So here one side is 10 centimeter and other side we don't know, so we are going to write here x into height is 4 centimeter and unit. Now the area of trapezium is already given in the question. The area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square. So what we are going to do, this centimeter square we are going to write it here. So 34 is equals to, we can cancel this also by 2, 1 times, 2, 2 times. So we can write 2 into 10, 20 plus 2 into x, 2x. So when we solve this further, we get 34 minus 20 is equals to 2x. So 14 is equals to 2x. X is equals to 14 upon 2. So 2 times 14 will cancel by 7 times. So we can write, hence the other side is equals to 7 centimeter. So this 7 centimeter is the length of other parallel sides. Exercise 11.2, question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its sides along the river is parallel to twice the sides along the road. So in this plot, one side there is a road, this is a road, and this side there is a river. If the area of this field is 10,500 square meter, the total area of this field is 10,500 meters square, and the perpendicular distance between the parallel side, this one height is 100 meter. So find the length of the side along the river. So this much, this side we are going to find. So how we are going to do this question? So let the parallel side, let the parallel sides of the trapezium shape field be x meter and 2x meter, because it is given in the question twice the side of along the road. If one is x, another is 2x. So now we are going to use the formula. So area of trapezium field is equals to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. So here parallel side is x plus 2x into height is 100 meter. Now the area of trapezium is already given in the question, 10,500. So 10,500 is equals to, we can cancel this also. So we can write x plus 2x is 3x. 3x into 50 is 150x. So x is equals to 10,500 divided by 150. So we can cancel it. We get 70 meter. So we can write therefore the length of side along the river is 2 into 70 is equals to 140 meter. Question number 11th, exercise 11.2. The diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 24 centimeter into 28 centimeter. The inner dimension is 16 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Find the area of each section if the width of each section is same. So here the outer section and the inner section dimension is given. So we are going to find. So first, the width of the frame, the width of the frame is equals to, we can write AB minus PQ divided by 2, or we can write 24 minus 16 upon 2 is equals to 8 by 2 is equals to 4 centimeter. So this is the width of the frame. Now the area of section ABQP is equals to area of section DCRS, because these two sections are same, this one section and this section. So we are going to write 1 by 2 into, this is the shape of a trapezium, so 1 by 2, then sum of parallel sides, so we can write 16 plus 24 into, the height of this section is 4 centimeter, 4, so we can cancel this with this, so 16 plus 4 is 40, 40 into 2 is equals to 80 centimeter square. So this is the section. Now area of section APSD is equals to area of section CBQR. These two sections are this one section and this section. So same formula we are going to use. So this is the shape of a trapezium. So 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides. So this is 20 and this one side is 28. So we can write 20 plus 28 into, the height of this section is 4 centimeter. So into 4. So 2 cancel with 2 times. So 20 plus 28 is 48. 48 into 2 is equals to 96 centimeter square. So one of the section is 80 centimeter square and other one is 96 centimeter square. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.